Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Yeah guys, as Sunday we get some rain, like a good little shower. So me I go down at the river, go see if the river wash out and if we can get a nice beautiful video for you guys down at the river. Yeah guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get us to 20,000 subscribers, and also follow me on other social media platforms at Fanika TV on Instagram, Fanika LKG on TikTok, and Erica Shackelford on Facebook. So yeah guys, you can find me there on all platforms. So if you're not seeing me posting here on my YouTube channel, I'm always on those other platforms, guys. So let's go. On Facebook I'm on the road to 40,000. On TikTok I'm on the road to 200,000. On Instagram I'm on the road to 10,000 followers on those platforms, guys. So run it up, follow me here and follow me on other platforms as well. We're going to the river, guys, to wash me. I'm gonna wash me sweaty ear. Also, come let me come all grow ear, so me no have no ear like that. So yeah guys, that is what we're gonna do today. Stay tuned, have a great productive day. Today is Tuesday. I want you guys to give me 1,000 likes on this video. So, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. I will be replying to every single comment, so make sure that you comment. Bye. Hey guys, me walk got the river, me at already. I hope the water wash out good enough. Come here, burn up. No age. We make have a piece of eat. How dog been gone? Oh man. I say one dog, they both the dog. I don't know. He using mouth and puppy for whole neck. I don't know what I'm to them. Guys, we can't wait for reach down the river and get a full soak in the water. And my slippers wow. Sitting there too, because my slippers full of mud in it. You remember that I said me no for walk in the mud like I no pay mud. No one knows a concrete yard. I think I'm mud yard. Anyway guys, when we reach the river, we're going to start record again, so stay tuned. Guys, we reach the river, but down here no look like you get much wash out. And that the big shower there we fall. Wash out. And that me realize say the river you know easy to wash out and pretty. I think there's nothing much no do. Not a thing, no difference. I mean I said, don't you must wash out and pretty. The stone is still green. Everything still the same. No difference, guys. I will show you. I will show you it. Yeah, guys. Today, no wash out or nothing. No wash out today. Stone is still green. I say wash out, and we have a pretty something. I say we are gonna have a pretty scenery, guys, but I guess we never get enough rain as well. When we said thunder a clapping up, I will still not get enough rain. So what we see. You guys. It look like rainfall in the evening at all. Actually, it ground rough, tough, and we all either get rain. My dear, yeah, look it. Traffic up there like so. Oh, you see that, guys? You know what's up, not at all. Oh. start it up in a rain. But have to reach them. You guys, chocolate. And let it a focus. Come all of eat chocolate then green. You have to get green. And when they look like it, they have up and up in the man. You can't reach them. Now go check here that one. Hey guys, so me underneath one chocolate tree. Oh, one day there's some man. One day we can't come up here. One day right here, see. So you so soft. Let me try go up to see if me can catch the chocolate. But it feels soft like it go tear away if me step there. So I don't want to drop. Me say it bush girl in my gang. But one time I scale up and say like the guys don't want to see me. Let's do it. This one look at it more. For me I stand the place trainer. I cannot climb. Come on now. Put up there. Let me put up my foot around. It's a tear. I'm strong enough to do it. Hey guys, let me get it off. Just jump down. You don't know when I jump down in now. Look. The foot guys, you don't know when I jump down in now. But she chocolate, let me catch it. Like a long time, you're right. Guys, at Christmas time, and mother always like to make chocolate Christmas, so we have to remove the seed after we done. in the morning. So yeah. Stay tuned guys, I'm gonna wash my gear and you know just see if I can cool down myself in the water. So stay tuned for that. One more time guys. Here, one more time. That me like with the treadmill guys, it's so bad. Like it's always so yeah, and then my ear now. You know so what they make our ear just like guys, I'm gonna put my ear now one and they come at my ear blue. Ear blue. Little side. PS2 Guys, a PS2 like more stone in the water here than water, you know, so it's good still to keep me cool, keep me here very well. Because the glue is still stuck in the ear. I think I wash it. Anyway, oh, we got me comb. at my phone, man. I'm gonna put some conditioner in the ear now, guys. Guys, I feel a leaf at the bottom of my water. I think that was so better. Oh, the rain fall. I get a better the tree, yeah, what the hurricane this drop down, you know. Yeah, what the hurricane. Look at that beautiful scenery. Straight up in the sky. Hey guys, I'm gonna put some nice condition in my ear. Bump, love bump. I will love you. Put some condition in my ear, guys. So let's go and sit down in the water a little and relax. And nothing else that they do. Nothing else that they do. So might as well let's go and sit down. Guys, remember to watch the video and subscribe, guys. We cannot, you know, we need the subscriptions. When you subscribe, it allows the video to spread and go, you know, to more audience, guys. So let's go. Let me actually feel cool. Actually, the air I'm feeling cool. I'll try what's out the shampoo that make here. I'm gonna take a shower, you know. I just soap up and done. Guys, may I try wash out the condition out of my ear. My water space so little bit to come like me can. Water still little. Skin feels smooth. It's such a blessing, guys, to live somewhere where you can just. And that me like with Jamaica, guys. You live in a Jamaica, any part of Jamaica you can just go a river, go cruise off. Me not think nowhere in a Jamaica. I think they have parishes where they say they have no river. They have river, but I guess infested with crocodiles or so. But people still go there. People now make because of crocodile they don't go a river. But the river here, guys, up this side the river then stony. I guess that's why crocodile not really in the river here. The river then full of stone and the crocodile then love the soft bottom river then. The sand. More stone and gravel, so it's going to mash up them belly bottom. Because through them belly bottom soft. So, yeah guys, I go soap up. I said I can go in one little piece, I soap up. So, stay tuned guys. Slide off. Watch my face. Alright guys, so scrub up my face one more time. Me don't wash my face, I feel like my beard, you know. What a cool me feel. A while ago me a come me hot. But since me come and me sit down by water, I feel cool. Hey guys, I'm gonna take a shower now. Soap up for you. Thank you. done take a shower now. So this is the end of today's video, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers, guys. So stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm gonna post another video. Hey guys, bye. See you guys tomorrow in another video. So yeah guys, may I leave the river now. Tell the river bye bye. Yeah, even though I may end the video already, but just say let me end it so with me leaving the river. Whatever I get underneath my foot. So yeah. Look wet. Looking to hey breadfruit. Where's this here, you know? If I breadfruit up in another tree, some big pretty one. Guys, me have some ackee. And me I go try. See me can get it picked as me can cook. Some ackee and saltfish from my channel. That Jamaica national dish. When I reach my yard, me end the video. The video straight. Mad somebody. But when me I protect, when me I protect. Want somebody to jump in. Look at that. I look at water gone a pipe. That's the early water gone. I don't see that spring at the bottom. Oh, water did this. I see wet. Either I did it or it just go away. Out of one. Guys, when we reach my yard, me end the video. Excuse me. I the chocolate, you know. I bust gas. Right now, if we go start to eat fruits at morning time, I bust the gas. Come in and drink tea. Hey, morning. Morning, Marion. That bush. Everybody are clean up for back to school. Wanted everybody say this. I don't know how that rag reach in between the legs. So I don't want to end the video, I not take you out. Oh. You guys go to the river and I walk back home. Yeah, this is the life, you know. If more I can go to spring, go drink fresh spring water. We don't have no chlorine in it. I'm gonna have a bite. Yeah, that is the life. And when we move and go live somewhere else, I go say then something here. Maybe if I go one river, I have to pay if we go in there. Or I have to buy the spring water, and when the spring water, I know, better quality than the one I have. So yeah. Anyway guys, I reach home now, so I will stop the live, guys. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get me to 20,000 subscribers. Then when you get me to 20, you work and you get me to 30. Then we get to 30, we go to 40. You know? So stay tuned. Bye.